Alcohols. Alcohols are the organic molecules which may be regarded as hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons may be aliphatic or aromatic. The general formula of alcohols is ROH, in which oxygen atom of hydroxyl group is bonded to the carbon atom of alkyl group or aryl group. Here, these are the examples of alcohols. CH3OH is known as methyl alcohol. When hydroxyl group is bonded to the carbon atom of benzyl group, it is known as benzyl alcohol. This is allyl alcohol and this is tertiary butyl alcohol. When there are more than one hydroxyl groups are bonded to two different carbon atoms, these are named accordingly. Like when two hydroxyl groups are bonded to two different carbon atoms, alcohols are known as dihydric alcohols. The example of dihydric alcohol is ethylene glycol. In this molecule, there are two hydroxyl groups which are bonded to two different carbon atoms. This is an example of trihydric alcohols in which three hydroxyl groups are bonded to three carbon atoms in the molecule. Monohydric alcohols. In monohydric alcohols, there is only one hydroxyl group which is bonded to the carbon atom of aliphatic carbon chain or an aromatic group. In aliphatic alcohols, the oxygen is bonded to the aliphatic carbon chain. And the examples of aliphatic monohydric alcohols are methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and N-propyl alcohol. Aromatic alcohols are the molecules in which hydroxyl group is bonded to the side chain of an organic group. These molecules may be regarded as derivative or the aryl substituted product of alkyl radical. The example of aromatic alcohol is benzyl alcohol. In these alcohols, the hydroxyl group is bonded to the carbon atom of the side chain bonded to the aryl group. There is another class of aromatic alcohols in which the hydroxyl group is directly bonded to the carbon atom of the benzene ring, and these molecules are known as phenols. Classification. Generally, alcohols are classified on the basis of substitution of carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is bonded. Alcohols are classified as primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. In primary alcohols, the carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is bonded to another carbon atom. Like in this molecule, this is the carbon atom present at the center of this molecule is bonded to the hydroxyl group is also bonded to another carbon atom of an alkyl group. These are the few examples of primary alcohols: ethyl alcohol, N-propyl alcohol, and N-butyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is also an example of primary alcohol, but in this molecule, the carbon atom which is bonded to the hydroxyl group is not bonded to another carbon atom, but all remaining three valencies are bonded to the three hydrogen atoms. In secondary alcohols, the carbon atom bonded to the hydroxyl group is bonded to two other carbon atoms of two different alkyl groups. Like here in this molecule, The carbon atom present at the center is bonded to the hydroxyl group as well as two other alkyl groups, or the carbon atoms of two alkyl groups. The examples of secondary alcohols are isopropyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, and 2-pentanol. In these molecules, like in isopropyl alcohol, CH group is bonded to hydroxyl group as well as two carbon atoms of the two methyl groups. Tertiary alcohols. In tertiary alcohols, carbon atom bonded with hydroxyl group is bonded to three other carbon atoms. Like in tertiary butyl alcohol, the carbon atom present at the center is bonded to the hydroxyl group as well as it is bonded to three other carbon atoms of three alkyl groups. There is another example of tertiary alcohol is methyl pentanol. In this molecule also, the carbon atom present here bonded to the hydroxyl group and three other carbon atoms of the three alkyl groups. These are the different types of alcohol: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, and phenols. Ethanol, 2-methyl-1-propanol are the examples of primary alcohol, and benzyl alcohol, which is also an aromatic alcohol, is an example of primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, we have already discussed 2-butanol, and in tertiary alcohols, this is again tertiary butyl alcohol, and this is triphenyl methanol. And in phenols, uh, these are the two molecules of substituted phenol, 3-methyl phenol and hydroxyquinone. Nomenclature of alcohols. Alcohols in common names are named as alkyl alcohols. First, the name of alkyl chain is pronounced, then the alcohol is added after the name of alkyl group. The examples of different alcohols are methyl alcohol. Methyl is the organic group or aliphatic group bonded to the hydroxyl group. Ethyl alcohol, N-propyl alcohol. There is propyl chain bonded to hydroxyl group. This is butyl alcohol, pentyl alcohol, hexyl alcohol, heptyl alcohol, and so on. Here, this is isobutyl alcohol. This is isobutyl group bonded to the hydroxyl group, and this is secondary butyl alcohol. IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols. According to IUPAC nomenclature, alcohols are named by finding the longest continuous carbon chain and changing the ending to "ol" by replacing E from the parental alkane name. The parent chain of carbon atom is numbered from the end, which gives the possible lowest number to the carbon carrying the hydroxyl group. When there are double bond or triple bonds are present in the hydrocarbon chain in alcohol, two endings are needed, one for the double or the triple bond and one for hydroxyl group. The ol suffix is the last and takes precedence in the numbering. If the hydroxyl group is directly attached to the carbon atom of an aromatic ring, the compounds are known as phenols. If there are uh, other functional groups are present in alcohol or the organic molecule having hydroxyl group, like carboxylic group, aldehyde group, or ketone, It is named as substituent because the functional group like carboxylic, aldehyde or ketones are the group have priority over the hydroxyl group. These are some examples of alcohols and their names according to IUPAC nomenclature. This is methanol. In this molecule, the E letter from the parent methane is dropped and ol is added to the name. Hence, the name of this molecule is methanol. Similarly, this is ethanol. E has been dropped and substituted with ol. Propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, and so on. In alcohols, when the carbon chain length is more than 2 carbon atoms, the position of hydroxyl group should be mentioned with a specific number. Like in propanol, the hydroxyl group is present at carbon number 1. If we number this carbon chain, we should start numbering this alkyl chain from here, giving this carbon atom number 1 to which hydroxyl group is bonded. So the name of this alcohol is propane 1-ol. In this molecule, the hydroxyl group is bonded to the carbon atom which is numbered as 2. So the name of this alcohol is propane 2-ol. In this molecule, there is a double bond present along with hydroxyl group, and when the numbering is done, it should be done from the carbon atom which gives the lowest possible number to the hydroxyl group. So if we do so, we should give this carbon atom number 1, and the name of this alcohol is pent 3-ene-1-ol because hydroxyl group is present or is bonded to the carbon 1 and the double bond is present here between carbon number 3 and 4. This is another example of an alcohol. In this alcohol, the hydroxyl group is present at carbon number 3. Hence, the name is hexane 3-ol. This is butane 1-ol. The hydroxyl group is bonded to the carbon number 1 of the alkyl chain or butyl group. This is butane 2-ol. In butyl group, the hydroxyl group is bonded to the carbon atom which is carbon number 2. Here these are few more examples. This is 2-methyl 1-propanol. In this molecule there is a side chain or branched alkyl group. The hydroxyl group here present to this carbon atom, and if we give number 1 this 2 carbon atom and the side group or alkyl group bonded to the carbon number 2, we should mention it in the name. So the name of this alcohol is 2-methyl 1-propanol or 2-methyl propane 1-ol. This is 2-methyl 2-propanol or 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Here in this molecule there is a double bond, and the name of this molecule is pent 4-ene-2-ol. The hydroxyl group is bonded to the carbon atom numbered as 2, and the fourth number is given to the carbon atom bonded through double bond. Next molecule is 5-methyl hexane 2-ol, and this is pentane 3-ol. This molecule is 3-methyl butane 2-ol. This is an example of a molecule having two functional groups, hydroxyl group and carboxylic group. Here in this molecule, carboxylic group has preference over hydroxyl group. So the molecule should be considered as an acid rather than an alcohol. And the name of this molecule is 4-hydroxybutanoic acid. Methods of preparation of alcohols. Alcohols can be easily prepared by the reduction of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and esters by a variety of reducing agents. The carbonyl group in these molecules is reduced to the alcoholic group by a suitable reducing agent like complex metal hydride or hydrogenation in presence of suitable catalyst. Reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones can be reduced by a variety of reducing agent. The reduction of aldehydes produces primary alcohols, whereas reduction of ketones produce secondary alcohols. First method of reduction of aldehydes and ketones is catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation is carried out in presence of hydrogen and a catalyst that may be nickel, platinum or palladium. Carbonyl group of aldehyde get converted into primary alcohol, whereas carbonyl group of a ketone gets converted into secondary alcohol. Here this is an aldehyde when subjected to catalytic hydrogenation is getting converted to primary alcohol, whereas a ketone is getting converted to secondary alcohol. In the first reaction, this is propion aldehyde, and when it reacts with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst, it gets converted into N-propyl alcohol. The carbonyl group of this aldehyde is getting converted into primary alcohol. When acetone is reduced in presence of nickel, it produces isopropyl alcohol, which is an secondary alcohol. In this molecule, the carbonyl group is reduced to secondary alcohol. Acetone in this reaction is getting reduced to isopropyl alcohol, which is an secondary alcohol. When an aldehyde or a ketone has a double bond or triple bond in the molecule and reduction is carried out, the double bond and triple bond also gets reduced along with the carbonyl group of the aldehyde or ketone. Like here in this reaction, this is croton aldehyde, this is carbonyl group of aldehyde, and there is also a double bond. When this molecule is catalytically hydrogenated, the double bond also gets reduced, producing N-butyl alcohol. So this method cannot be used to carry out the selective reduction of only carbonyl group. Reduction with complex metal hydrides. The reduction of aldehydes and ketones to prepare alcohols is usually carried out in lab with complex metal hydrides such as lithium aluminium hydride and sodium borohydride. In this method, the aldehyde or a ketone is reduced with these complex metal hydride to produce primary and secondary alcohols. Aldehydes reduced to primary alcohols. Here in this reaction, this is butanol. When reduced with sodium borohydride, it produces butane 1-ol. Sodium borohydride is used in ethanol, and the product formed in second step gets hydrolyzed to give the final product, that is alcohol. When a ketone is reduced with complex metal hydride, it produces secondary alcohol. Here this is butane 2-on, and this gets reduced to give butane 2-ol. Sodium borohydride is easier to handle and can be used either in water or alcohol solution, whereas lithium aluminium hydride reacts violently with water and alcohol. So it is used in aprotic solvents such as dry ether or tetrahydrofurane, and the product that is formed initially is then subjected to hydrolysis to get the desired product. Mechanism of reduction. Reduction of aldehydes and ketones by both lithium aluminium hydride and sodium borohydride take place through the nucleophilic attack of hydride ion on the carbonyl group. Reduction with sodium borohydride. The mechanism of reduction with sodium borohydride as well as with lithium aluminium hydride is same. Here first sodium borohydride ionizes to give sodium cation and boron trihydride anion. In presence of boron trihydride, the carbonyl group of aldehyde or ketone undergo nucleophilic attack by hydride ion, and the shared pair of electron between carbon and oxygen get shifted towards the oxygen atom, that causes the partial negative charge on the oxygen atom and partial positive charge on carbon atom. When hydride ion approach the positively charged carbon atom, the bond is formed between carbon and hydrogen. Another bond is formed between negatively charged oxygen atom and boron atom. So in this step, a product is formed in which there is a new carbon hydrogen bond is formed and oxygen boron bond is formed. This molecule is known as boron alkoxide. One of the hydrogen atom of boron tetrahydride reacts with carbonyl group of aldehyde or ketone and gets converted into alkoxy group. This molecule again reacts with 3 molecules of aldehyde or ketone by using its 3 hydrogen atom bonded to boron atom, thus giving metal alkoxide in which boron is bonded to 4 alkoxy group. When this metal alkoxide hydrolyzes, it gives alcohol and boron trihydroxide. Reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride ionizes to give lithium cation and aluminium tetrahydride ion. When this hydride approaches carbonyl group of aldehyde or ketone, nucleophilic approach takes place in which carbon gets partially positively charged and oxygen atom gets negatively charged, and a bond is formed between carbon and hydrogen and oxygen and aluminium. Here aluminium alkoxide is formed, and this molecule again reacts with three molecules of aldehydes or ketones, giving metal alkoxide, in which aluminium atom is bonded to 4 alkoxy group, and this metal alkoxide, when hydrolyzed, it gives alcohol and aluminium hydroxide. In the given reaction, there is a ketone which has an isolated double bond. When this molecule is reduced in presence of sodium borohydride or lithium borohydride, only the carbonyl group of the molecule gets reduced to alcoholic group, whereas the double bond remains intact. But when the double bond is in conjugation with the carbonyl group, like here in this molecule, this is croton aldehyde. In this molecule, this carbonyl group is in conjugation with a double bond. When this molecule is reduced with aluminium hydride, lithium aluminium hydride, the double bond also gets reduced, and the product that is formed is butane 1-ol. Lithium aluminium hydride is a stronger reducing agent in comparison to sodium borohydride. It reduces carbonyl group as well as the double bond present in the molecule. Whereas when a ketone or aldehyde is having a double bond in conjugation with the carbonyl group is reduced with sodium borohydride, the double bond doesn't get reduced. Like here in case when croton aldehyde is reduced with sodium borohydride, 85% of the product is crotyl alcohol, in which only the carbonyl group gets reduced to the alcoholic group, whereas the double bond in the molecule remains unaffected. We can conclude that in case of compounds which contain carbon-carbon double bond in conjugation with carbonyl group, sometimes the double bond may get reduced along with the carbonyl group, and it depends upon the nature of reducing agent, and the chances are more with lithium aluminium hydride in comparison to sodium borohydride. In the given reaction, this is cinnamaldehyde. When this molecule is reduced with sodium borohydride, the carbonyl group gets reduced to alcoholic group, whereas the double bond remains intact. Whereas when this molecule is reduced with lithium aluminium hydride, both the carbonyl group and the double bond get reduced, giving phenyl propyl alcohol. Third reduction method of aldehydes and ketones is Meerwein-Ponndorf-Verlet reduction. This method is commonly used for the reduction of ketones to secondary alcohol, and this reaction is carried out by the heating of carbonyl compound in isopropyl alcohol in presence of aluminium isopropoxide. This mixture of isopropyl alcohol and aluminium isopropoxide is known as Meerwein-Ponndorf-Verlet reagent. Acetone is also formed in this reaction as a byproduct, which is distilled off from the reaction mixture. This is a reversible reaction, but the equilibrium is pushed in forward direction by distilling off the acetone as soon as it is formed. This reaction is important because this is highly specific reaction. It does not reduce the other functional group present in the ketone. It only reduces carbonyl group to the alcoholic group. In this reaction, this is butanol, which reacts with isopropyl alcohol and aluminium isopropoxide and gets reduced to butanol and acetone, which is a byproduct. Mechanism of reduction. When aluminium isopropoxide approaches carbonyl group of the ketone, hydrogen atom of one of the propoxy group approach carbon atom, which causes the shifting of bond pair between the carbon and oxygen atom towards the oxygen atom, and this weakening of bond between carbon and oxygen atom cause the formation of bond between this hydrogen atom and carbon atom. As soon as this carbon hydrogen bond is formed, here the oxygen atom makes bond with the aluminium atom. As soon as oxygen aluminium bond forms here, the bond between this aluminium atom and this oxygen atom breaks from here, and acetone molecule leaves, and a new molecule is formed in which there is an alkoxy group from the parent ketone and aluminium with its 2-isopropoxy group. When this aluminium alkoxide reacts with isopropyl alcohol present in reaction mixture, this alkoxy group gets reduced to the corresponding alcohol and aluminium isopropoxide again gets regenerated. Second method of reduction to produce alcohol is reduction of acids. Carboxylic acids can be reduced to primary alcohols by lithium aluminium hydride. Sodium borohydride does not react with carboxylic acids. When an acid reacts with lithium aluminium hydride, it produces primary alcohol. In this reaction, this is butyric acid is getting reduced to butane 1-ol. In the second reaction, this is benzoic acid when react with lithium aluminium hydride reduced to benzyl alcohol. Mechanism of reduction is same as in case of reduction of aldehydes and ketones with lithium aluminium hydride and sodium borohydride. First, lithium aluminium hydride ionizes to give sodium cation and aluminium hydride. Aluminium tetrahydride act here as nucleophile hydride ion approaches carbon atom of the carbonyl group, and the bond pair between carbon and oxygen atom get shifted towards oxygen atom, that causes the bond formation between the hydride ion and carbon atom. As soon as this bond is formed, a bond between oxygen atom and aluminium atom is formed, resulting in the formation of aluminium alkoxide. This molecule reacts with another molecule of an acid and gives dialkoxy derivative of aluminium, and so on until all the hydrogen atoms get converted into alkoxy group. Here this is aluminium alkoxide finally formed, in which aluminium atom is bonded to 4-alkoxy group. When this alkoxide is hydrolyzed, it produces primary alcohol. Reduction of acids with diborane. Diborane can be used to reduce acids to primary alcohols. Here, this is propionic acid. When reacted with diborane, it gets converted to alkoxyborane, which on hydrolysis produce propane 1-ol. Third method of producing alcohol is reduction of esters. Esters can be conveniently reduced to alcohols. The first method of reduction is Boval blank reduction. In this method, esters reduced with sodium and refluxing alcohol. A mixture of two alcohols is obtained. One alcohol is from the acyl part of the acid, whereas the second alcohol is formed by the alkoxy group of the acid. Here, this is ethyl butyrate. When this molecule reacts in presence of sodium metal and ethanol, it produces N-butyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. Mechanism of reduction involves number of steps in which electron is transferred from sodium metal in each step. Reduction with aluminium hydride. Ester can also be reduced with lithium aluminium hydride to produce a mixture of two alcohols, as in case of reduction with sodium and ethanol. The two alcohols produced here again are of the two different type obtained from the alkoxy group and acyl group. The reduction of an ester here is the ethyl butyrate, in which the acyl part forms butane 1-ol and alkoxy part produce ethanol. Mechanism of this reduction involves the addition of hydride ion to the carbonyl group of an ester. The hydride from the aluminium tetrahydride gets bonded to carbon atom and the alkoxy group leaves and forming the intermediate aldehyde. This aldehyde reacts with lithium aluminium hydride and gets converted into finally alcohol. Catalytic hydrogenation of esters. On industrial scale, alcohols are produced from esters by catalytic hydrogenation in presence of copper chromite catalyst. Here in this example, this is an ester getting reduced in presence of copper chromite to propane 1-ol and ethanol.